Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Ever since I discovered the secret clinical strength antiperspirants, I've been a big fan. I have a tendency to sweat a lot, and this really helps me. My favorite thing is how it goes on clear, and so then I don't have to worry about if it's gonna cake up or cause clumps underneath my arms, and then I feel comfortable that it's not gonna show on my clothes. And once you put it on and let it soak into your skin, it feels nice and moisturizing, but yet at the same time, it feels dry to the touch. It also has a really nice scent, and it's not overpowering when you put it on. So if you're anything like me and you have to worry about sweating, then I highly recommend this secret clinical strength antiperspirant. It's one that I have come to rely on, and it makes me feel comfortable when I'm in public. And that is just my point of view.